The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Once, the Country Mouse invited his cousin, who lived in the city, to visit him. When he came, the Country Mouse heartily welcomed his brother. For lunch, the Country Mouse served wheat stalks, roots, and corns with a small amount of cold water for drink. The Town Mouse did not like all this, so he took a little of it. After the meal, both went for a walk and had a long talk. The Town Mouse talked about his life in the city, while the Country Mouse listened. The Town Mouse said, "Brother, I cannot understand how you can put up with such poor food. You should come with me. I will show you how to live." Then they went to bed in a cozy basket. They slept in quietness and comfort until morning. In his sleep, the Country Mouse dreamt that he was a town mouse with all luxuries and delights of city life that his brother had described. The very next day, the Town Mouse asked the Country Mouse to come to the city with him. After his lavish life and dreams, the Country Mouse at once agreed. So they both dressed up and started their journey towards the Town Mouse house. Finally, they reached the mansion where the Town Mouse used to live. The Country Mouse was amazed seeing the beautiful house. They came inside the mansion where the Town Mouse made his burrow. The Country Mouse was very much surprised to see everything and was very happy seeing his dream come true. The owner of the house had some party last night, so they found the leavings of a very fine banquet on the table. There were sweetmeats and jellies, pastries, delicious cheeses, indeed the most tempting food that a mouse can ever imagine. But just as the Country Mouse was about to nibble at a dainty bit of pastry, he heard a cat mew loudly near the window. The Country Mouse ran after hearing the cat's voice. The cat came near the door. In utter fear, both the mice scurried to a hiding place. They came to the burrow of the Town Mouse and sat quite still for a long time. They hardly dared to breathe. Unable to find them, the cat went away, sad and upset. When both the mice ventured back to the feast, the door opened suddenly. The servant came in to clear the table, followed by the pet dog. The Country Mouse stayed in the Town Mouse hole, only long enough to pick up his bag and umbrella. "You may have luxuries and dainties that I have not," the Country Mouse said as he hurried away. "But I prefer my plain food and simple life in the country, with the peace and security that go with it." Simple life with security and peace is better than plenty in the midst of fear and uncertainty, said the Country Mouse. Saying so, he went back to his abode. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.